CM Khemchand ase Manipur gi puwari da ahan ba Thoubal lan bangam da CM oire Khongjom lan da thawai thagraba ipa ipu sing adugi igi macha masuni haibada pakchaba yawba MLA mantri amada yawbri yang aikhogi ipa ipu sing aduna canon gi mayokta thanga lan soknarami aduga haujiki leader sing asina masagi praja singe mayokta black law use torga praja gi against the land tawri CM Khemchand na amuk state sponsor armed forces special power act ama amuk maning thongdagi Manipur de introduce torakre CM Khemchand has effectively suspend the rule of law in the valley ayuktana democracy ke system asibu thagatuna nganglaga numidang wairamna warrant yaudana mi phaba yabagi order sign toba yaba natte ena eda case sin nakhiba haibase bureaucratic black hole amada changkhibaga chamane ngara ngasi April gi tang 2026 masigi numit asi Manipur gi itias da yamna maru obe numit amakni masigi numit asida aikhogi yamna thauna pharba ipa ipu singaduna British Empire gi mayukta sok lising amaga chanipan maudra mathoi da thauna phana lamtheng nakhiba numit adu ningsing boina Khongjom de haina sahi khuding pangthoktuna lakli numit asidani Khongjom da leiba khebasing da sirani khangna surrender tawduna lanpham da mamai leidana imali baki damak lantheng nakhiba thauna pharba Manipur gi lanmi kayagi itana ikheng tai khiba numit ni pauna barjabasina di bufferzone thambiyu hairamde mahakna high level committee gi decision report sungai ramde British government na mahaki thawai kanbige British government na haibe illu haiba matamda so mahakna mahaki thawai kanba natragana chawkri kanbagi damak compromise taramde masiga ona taina bada mahakna pakhum oina pirami mighty knows how to give his life but not his dignity mahakna khongpham lengdana yamna sakti leiraba khuchu khulai matik chana pairaba British lanmigi mayokta leptuna ima leba ki thama langtheng nakhi mahakna surrender tawduna thawai thakibagi maramdi the land belongs to the people of Manipur and the protector must be the first to bleed adubu yengu ngasidi aikhogi leidiba leadership asida secretariat ki air condition chamber gi manungda phamliba minister MLA mayam asida yengu Khongjom land thawai thagraba ipa ipu sing adugi igi macha masuni haibada pakchaba yawba MLA mantri amada yawbri yengu aikhogi ipa ipu sing aduna canon gi mayokta thanga lan soknarami aduga haujiki leader sing asina masagi praja singe mayokta black law use torga praja gi against the land tawri ngasigi video asida aikhoina haujik Manipur do oirakliba dark chapter asigi matana khara khanse video asibu loi bhau yengbiu loi bhau yengdraga di fully understand tawbangam loi mamangi video da aina Khemchand gi positive side khara panjakhibani adubu ngasi di Khemchand gi ngarang constitution of India bu khongoi naduna thokiba order adugi matang da khanasi order adugi matung inna civil and armed police ki head constable or havaldar gi rank gi mathak oiba any sipai amana singnaba ama leire hairagadi warrant yaudana phaningba mi ama phaba yaba evidence ki mathau ta daba search and seize toba yaba gi power khusin nakhre masigi dark order asina maram oiraga tampak asi de facto police state am oina onthokle de facto police state haibse karino haiba khangbi dragade Google tobiyu si explain tawduna leiragade video asi yamna sanglagani coming to the point Thoubal phauduna chatpa kiba helicopter tongduna wangjing phau chatpa ngamba CM gi matangdani aina hojik haijaribasi NIA da Tronglaobi case asi sinnakiba asina takpadi leideba current leadership asi mapangan yamna solle takpani handaki sayol sida Manipur do oirakliba phibam masigi matangda aikhoina tumina laisin bachum the executive order empowering the civil and armed police to arrest, search, seize without any warrant on the mere ground of suspicion. To the average viewers, this might sound like a tough on crime. Adubu constitution bu yamna munna khangba miyoy singdadi masi death warrant for civil liberties haina lawi. Masi gi order asina Indian constitution gi article 21 right to life and personal liberty bu violate tawbata natana judiciary gi power bypass tawkre. CM Khemchand has effectively suspend the rule of law in the valley. masigi order asi karigi damak unlawful oiribanu haibu understand tawminasi Code of Civil Procedure natragana Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita gi matung inna warrant is the only thing standing between a citizen and the tyranny of the state. Masi check and balance ama oina police ta pidabi just sing the khakpiba power to decide if there is enough evidence to deprive a human being of their freedom. Me pub the warrant gi darkar oirambadu lauthokragadi sarkar asina blank check ama police constable natragana police officer khuding ta pibaga sab manare. Suspicion is not a legal standard, it is subjective feeling. Nang na student leader amu oiraba aduga sarkar gi thausil ama yaningdana lauraba nang suspect oire nang na maira paibi oiraba aduga friends area singda security pu haina demand tawraba nang su suspect oire sida hangning lamgani security pu hairaga kamai suspect oirino haina because you are trying to destabilize the law and order by protesting. masigi dak order asina police ta nangi na yumda ahing pung ani da changlaga thi bahum batoba nangi phone losin ba aduga nangbuna lockup ta namsin na thamba yabagi power odoni pi dibasi magistrate mamang da puthokna nang crime ama tawrame haina proof tawgi mathau tab natre nan government na thokhiba dak order do armed forces special power ekam kariyam ta khena balaite khetnari ba haibabu amana executive order ni aduga amana statute ni notice asi chahi yankhai hena armed forces special power ek ke meota lanthing na duna lakpani kari maram gino haiba matamda armed forces special power ek asina military da immunity piduna mibo phaning ma matamde hekta phaba yaba warrant gi mathau ta daba suspicion oirade military or paramilitary ne hekta phaba yaba search toba yaba law amani and we are told that removal of Aphaspa from Imphal municipal area was a victory for democracy. Now look at the irony. CM Khemchand na amuk state sponsor armed forces special power ek ama amuk maning thongdagi Manipur de introduce tawrakhre. He has taken the most draconian features of military law and handed them to the local police. Taseng na hairabada masina armed forces special power ektagi hena sathirini. At least with Aphaspa we knew the enemy was a central law. This new order comes from our own state government using our own police force to suppress our own people. It is a de facto merchant law disguised as public safety. Masigi anoba rule ase misuse tobagi chance wang batanati. Misuse toba haibasi 100% guaranteed ni. In a conflict zone where misinformation is rampant and political allegiance are shifting, this power will be used to settle personal scores, silence critics, and suppress the very decent voice that Khemchand previously claimed to respect. Ayuktana democracy ke system asibu thagatuna nganglaga numidang wairamna warrant yaudana mi phaba yabagi order sign toba yabanate. While police are being given power over the people, the chief minister is losing his connection to the people. Hauzik Manipur da anobalize nama thorakle. CM Khemchand ase Manipur ge puwari da ahanba Thoubal lanba ngamdaba CM oire. Wah, what a legend. Hanagi CM Biren na kangpopi lanba ngamdabani haujiki CM na Thoubal lanba ngamdaba. Helicopter Tronglaobi amuk chat mayai lambi phawrga amuk chat thawna tangmaga kya di waram lani. Thoubal ase foreign country natte ko. Manipur tampake mayol maktada laiba yamna pikpa district amakhangni. Mafam ase scholar kaya warriors kaya lawmi kaya pokiba lam amakhangni. Adubu state asigi CM amana mafam ase phawrga chatpa ngamdaba haibase yamna ikai ningai ni. He takes a helicopter ride. He flies over the head of the citizen he is supposed to lead because he is afraid of the very descent he claims to allow. In Biren gam compare to yengsi. Aikhoi loina Biren ge laingak thingnakhre. Mahak ase Manipur gi ahan ba kangpopi lan mangamdaba CM oina loisin grabani. Mahaki matamdagi hawrakhiba irang ase ngasi so loisin bangamdana adum leiri. He becomes the first head of state who was declared persona non grata in half of his own territory. Isn't this the same? Adubu masidagi hena sathirakani habdi aikhoina khalludre. Karin CM Khemchand di Thoubal dasu persona non grata lothokre. He has managed to do this impossible. He has become a CM who is isolated within the valley itself. Pazana masagi leader bu meeting mafam dagi tanar mahaki lambi thatpana maram oiraga laikai da function yawba air travel tawba haibasidi Manipur di amukta thoktriba thaudoni handa kesin ahan bani. It means the mandate of our leader is dead. A leader who cannot walk on the soil of his own people has no right to tell them how to live. This helicopter ride is the ultimate proof of our governance failure. If you are doing a good job, why are you hiding in the clouds? If the people are with you, why do you need a flight path to avoid them? The trolling in social media is not just a noise. It is a visceral rejection of leader who has abandoned the ground reality for the safety of the sky. Haujik Tronglaobi massacre gi matang da amukhanasi rocket hit the cradles. The state government's latest move is to suggest handing the case over to the NIA. Adubu masage hongthang asi praja kayana yaning da ulagli. Manipur da issue ama thopa khudingi NIA da sinnare CBI da sinnare na toin haiba mai koina thengnai. NIA da sinnare haigadi solution phanglabagi matagum. NIA haibasi long term oina counter terrorism investigation tawnaba laiba agency ni. NIA na ngasi case paikhaga haying hekta punishment pigadaba natte. Matam koina investigation tawduna lairaba matungda chahi amani gi matungdani makoina trial process hogadoise phajana. At least 7 months di under investigation dani laidoise. NIA da case nakiba haibasi bureaucratic black hole amada changkhibaga chapmane. Fast move slowly, witnesses are thousands of miles away and the local context is often lost in translation. Tronglaobi case NIA da sinnaba haibasi delay tactics amu oibasu yai. Case NIA da sinnaraga chief minister na masage responsibility dagi chenaba hotnabani haina lobusu yai. If the NIA takes over, Manipur government can say it is out of our hand. The center is investigating. Investigation ki result ngai na sahi kaya hokini adubu terror loan sai singdi lengdana adum lai hogani. Mihar padasi naba commander singsu adum free da koichat chatuna adum lai khigani. Haji hujik chu makoi mathang mafum kadai da attack tawsigi haina khannaram basu yai. Manipur Prajana Hojik Pamli Basi, case NI the Sinabadunate. Sarkar ge Maike the Topam Topa Tabo Adu Tawanding Money. Justice Pambane. Hojik Lambi the Tiagas, rubber bullet cable policing Aduna Miat passing Adubu Paba, Aduga punishment, Piba Aduni Pamliba. Central Agency Amalak like a rocket Kara the Kablak Panohaina, I quite a Hypodunate, Quina Pamli Basi. We have the GPS coordinates, we have the witness, and we have the debris. The only thing we are missing is political will to arrest the killers. NI the case in a high state case sovereignty adu surrender to Zap money. How's it Nakal Amarum than a Tampaki Mapum cutting the state police Manipur Prajasing a Kanamuk than Tanzasida. Cookie CSO Amadi militant organizing the Yam sing the game Amasanari. How's it Makoina Beligi Mapum Pumba the armed forces special power Amuk Hanari imposed the weather behind the demand of Horokle. The irony and the intent, think about the absurdity of this. The very group that claimed to persecuted by the Indian state are now asking for the most draconian federal law to be imposed on the Valley. Why? Logic is simple. Imphal the Armed Forces Special Power Act thamjilo haina demand tawraga makoina Valley asibu lawlessness oiraba govern toba yadaba chaotic oiba area amani haina narrative ama semna bohodari. They want the world to see the Meitei heartland as a disturbed area that needs military control. If Armed Forces Special Power Act is reimposed, is justify their demand for a separate administration. Game si nakoin understand tawbra tawdabradi I khangre understand tawdradi command tawdi haina hero. It tells the world, look, even the capital of Manipur needs the army to stay peaceful. Therefore, we cannot live together. It is a trap. And unfortunately, the current wave of mob violence and clashes with the CRPF, which I have argued to stop, is giving them the evidence they need. When we attack our own security camp, Aikoina, Kuki CSO Singi, Chithi Home Minister, we must be smarter. Bangwesiko. Loisilapadaina CM Khemchand amadi political party khudimaki leaders in the haining badi chapiyu Khongjom war memorial da aduga yengbiyu aikhogi athauba ipa ibu sing adugi nungda hakliba maming sing aduda pauna berjabasiu wangkhei meiraba chongthamya thauna pharaba makhogi macha masuni ko aikhoisi makhodi tunglab helicopter su lairamde lan choknanaba matik chaba khulai su pairamde makhodi warrant yawdan mi phaba punbagi power su pairamde makhogi di buffer zone su lairamde NIS su lairamde Makoigini have the lady high sense of duty amadi uncompromising love for our motherland. The lesson for today's leader is simple. You cannot secure a land by making its people your enemies. If you want to stop the militant, you don't need a black order that target the citizens of the valley. You need the courage to secure the borders. You need the courage to tell New Delhi that buffer zone policy is failing. You need the courage to drive down the road to Thoubal and face the anger of your people, listen to them and lead them. Khongjom lanpham da ipa ipu sing aduna thawai kat khibadu makhogi macha machu oiriba aikhoibu miki thi mitambal oipigi troll tawna banateko. Aikoi khara ikai bikhangsiko MLA sing aroi belain haizani madi paja aikoi asawasi khara phatasi wakhan khalaga thabak tawsi asawbana mang tharaga mo balance tawresi nakhogi chakliba sawbagi mai aduna nasagi na yum mai thadopagi thabukti tawroisi. Do not let the government's failure drive you into action that justify their repression. We need a solution that respect our history and secure our future. We need the abrogation of SU, the implementation of NRC, and the total neutralization of rocket launch site. We need a leader who stands on the ground, not one who hovers in the air. The eyes of the martyrs are upon us. Let us not fail them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.